Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard dip. To begin, gather your core ingredients: about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. You will also need a mixing bowl and a whisk. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and easy preparation process for your delicious dip. Once your ingredients are assembled, combine the mayonnaise, honey, and mustard in your mixing bowl. Whisk everything together until it is smooth and well blended. Now is the perfect time to taste your creation. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more honey. For more tang, a touch more mustard works wonders. To elevate your honey mustard dip, consider some optional additions. A dash of apple cider vinegar, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, can brighten the flavor. For a savory note, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you enjoy a little heat, a few drops of your favorite hot sauce will add a pleasant kick. For the best flavor, chill your finished honey mustard dip in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It pairs wonderfully with chicken tenders, crispy fries, or as a dip for fresh vegetables. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.